Dale, thank you so much for joining us for this conversation with our professional partners. And just want to ask you a question as far as real estate is concerned. What duties do a closing real estate attorney, what do you do in the process as far as, closing?
So in North Carolina specifically, because that's the jurisdiction that I practice in, the closing attorney for a residential real estate transaction typically will get involved with as far as contract review, document review, making sure that everything lines up in whatever contracts are involved with the transaction. We're responsible for the title to the property as far as searching the title, making sure that any liens or encumbrances are addressed. Typically that means them being canceled or terminated during and after the transaction. We're also responsible for the actual closing itself, so facilitating the signing of any documents associated with the closing. And that includes settlement statements, closing disclosures, loan documents from lenders, and any other miscellaneous affidavits that may need to be signed as part of the transaction.
Okay, so when you're finished, the sellers, they're all finished out, and then the buyer takes over from that point going forward. So then that's when he was talking about the liens and those things are all canceled. He's making sure that that's all satisfied. So guys, make sure when you close on a property that you involve either an attorney or a title company, depends on where you're located, so that you make sure that there's nothing that is still holding you over to the previous homeowner from the things that they had involved as far as their closing is concerned or ownership of the property. Still, as always, we really appreciate you joining us for our conversation with our professional partners. Until the next time, see you guys then.